Hello everybody, this is Safi again, live from Centre Endodontics Saint Laurent in Montreal, Canada. Well, I'm going to cover today a very important question that we get a lot, especially over the phone when a patient is planning his appointment with us. And the question is, how many canals can a tooth have? Or how many canals does my tooth have, doctor? Which is a very important question because the number of canals can dictate the duration of the treatment, the complexity of the treatment, and of course the fees associated to such a treatment. So I'm going to start by saying that it's very important for the practitioner or the operator to be able to identify and to locate the number of canals inside the tooth, because the goal of any endodontic treatment, whether it's an initial treatment or a retreatment, is to clean the inside of the tooth. In other words, clean all the canals that are inside the tooth. If a canal is left behind, then this canal is always going to contain some infectious material such as bacteria and other debris in there, and this will eventually lead to the failure of the treatment. So usually, the more the tooth is at the back of the mouth, the more canals that this tooth can contain. And in other words, the more anterior the tooth is, the less canals the tooth can contain. There is a general rule, so to say, that in the front teeth here, let's say from one side to the nose to another, there's about 1 canal in each tooth. A bit more to the back, it could be 2. Then at the back, those molars, it could be 3 and even sometimes 4. There is a way to really make sure, or to have a good, if you want, evidence of how many canals can a tooth have, which is to take a preoperative CBCT or a preoperative scan. The scan is a 3-dimensional picture that shows us exactly how many canals a tooth can have and where they are located, so then when we are working inside the tooth, we know exactly how to aim and how to find those canals. However, we should not really lose track of the importance of cleaning the inside of the tooth, and we should not really remove the importance of finding all these canals, and not to forget that even sometimes an anterior tooth, which is a universal law, so to say, could have 1 canal, in some cases could have 2 or even 3. There are a lot of cases on there, and it depends again on the genetic background of the patient and some other developmental steps that could have occurred during the development of the teeth when the patient was growing up. I hope that this answered the question this answers the question. If you have any additional information or any additional interrogation concerning this issue, please don't hesitate to contact us at www.endosaintlaurent.ca. This is Safi again from Centre Endodontics Saint Laurent. Thank you.